1.
As humans, when we take a serious look at various aspects of the social construction of technology, we must first take a look at what social constructionism actually is. Everything that we consider a societal norm is based on how we created it in society. Had certain things not been created in a particular way, they might not have been created at all, or they might have been created differently. A quick and easy example of social constructionism is with currency. Here in the Society of the United States, we use a particular currency to purchase goods and services, whereas other countries, societies, and cultures use a particular currency as well. The point is that this is done to achieve the same common goal. If we as a global society had not developed these systems of currency, then it would have been a different way. It would have been done a different way, or maybe not at all, which probably wouldn't have worked out too well. Although currency is an evolving technology, all in itself in terms of credit cards, bank accounts, and online banking, just to name a few aspects, what I would like to briefly touch on for this blog in terms of technology is the social construction of transportation, in particular air travel. This technology was created here in the United States in the early 1900s. As it was shown that this technology was actually achievable, it began to take on different societal meanings as it evolved. Really, it's fascinating to look at how air travel has impacted and shaped the global society, and it continues to do so. I mean, we could talk about this for hours if we wanted to. This innovation took on more and more societal meanings as it continued to evolve due to the possibilities that it brought about. And two examples of this can be seen with the military and the business world as a whole. In the realm of warfare, aircrafts are equipped with state-of-the-art gun and missile capabilities as a very efficient means of causing damage while remaining safely above the enemy. Also, large military cargo planes can transport troops in large numbers very quickly and efficiently as well. The same thing can be done with all sorts of supplies. I mean, air travel changed the whole strategy involved with warfare in the 20th century and continues to do so into the 21st century. Also, air travel has and continues to revolutionize so many aspects of business in our society as a nation and as a global society. Various goods can be shipped across the nation and the world in a matter of hours, whereas before air travel, this process could take weeks or even months. When we really think about this fact, it's incredible. This has given and continues to give small businesses the ability to go global with products that they offer very conveniently. For example, my family resides in North Carolina. My father ordered fresh salmon from Pike Place Fish Market in Seattle, Washington, which was shipped on dry ice, and we were eating it within 13 hours of purchasing it. That's incredible and only possible because of air travel. The example that I just used can also be used as an example of how air travel has shaped the way we behave, which is doing things that we wouldn't normally do. Air travel gives us the ability to be flexible. We can see new places and other cultures, and social barriers between certain places aren't as intense because of the increased interaction that we are able to have with places all over the world and influence one another. Lastly, one conflict that has always been around since the inception of air travel pertains to fear. Although air travel is very safe, there is always that fear of being involved in a plane crash or some sort of plane malfunction. Also, terrorism is another fear that generates conflict. This has been a huge concern ever since the events that took place on 9/11. The implications of these things are that some people won't travel by air because of overwhelming fear. And also, relations between people may be strained due to racial profiling when it comes to traveling on a commercial flight.